Hi there. Thanks for taking the time to just have a quick look at this. Well, my name's Mr. Withers. I'm a maths teacher at a private secondary school in Gloucestershire in England. So I'm really just trialling this as a new service and just to see how it goes really. So I'm just starting by having a look at the Edexcel IGCSE, but in particular the Maths A higher paper. The reference being 4MAO and KMAO. So make sure that the paper you're studying says all of this really. So it's the International GCSE, it's the Maths A option. It could be paper 3H or 4H depending on which paper, so don't overly worry about that, but it must be the higher tier. And then just to make doubly sure what we're talking about the same thing, just double check you've got that reference on any present past papers that you've got. So this is the plan. You go and have a look at the drop down menu here on eBay, and you go and choose which paper you want to have a go at, and then you pay me the £5 please. What you also need to do is just email me your email address so I can communicate with you. So if you could just send your email address once you've paid the £5 through to this email address. Just be a bit careful, it's a bit of an annoying one. It's got this double W here, so it's james@cwwithers.fsnet.co.uk. So that's all you need to do to start the ball rolling. Obviously I'll then pick up your email and I'll send through to you both a PDF and a Word version of the past paper, and you can choose which of these two is easiest for you to print off. I mean, they're exactly the same, they're just in different formats. So you run off the paper, and obviously you can run that off as many times as you want. Now have a go at the paper, alright, do as much of it as you can, and I think the easiest way for you to get this back to me, rather than just scanning it and sending it through, which would take you forever, just take a photo of each page on your mobile and then just email these through to me at the same email address. Okay, it might be that you can attach all of them to a single email, or that might make the file too big, so you might have to do it over two or three or four attachments to different emails. But just see, it depends on how big they are, but just it doesn't matter how many you need. Okay, so you email me photos of each page, and then I think what I'll do, I will then go and copy and paste those over onto a Word document. I can then mark your paper and I'll give you a grade. Alright, so you can see what grade you're working at the moment, but I won't just mark it right or wrong. I'll also try and make as many corrections as I can, so you can actually see where you've gone wrong. And then finally, obviously for you to get hold of it, I'll then email this Word document back to you, so it'll be a marked version of the paper you've got. I mean, I haven't written it down here, but what I'll also do, I'll sort of cross-reference you to a link that takes you through to the appropriate video on my YouTube channel where I talk through the answers to each question, so that might help you understand where you've gone wrong. So that's the plan. I mean, I don't know how successful this will be. We'll see, but it's early days. There might be a few teething problems, but we'll see how we get on. And actually, at the end of the day, what have you got to lose? It's only £5. Okay, well, thanks for listening. I hope this is of interest to you.